ginger turmeric tea that you can enjoy either hot or cold. And the great thing about this recipe is that you can use fresh organic ingredients or you can use the powdered kind. But there's so many health benefits with this tea. It's really the perfect tummy and cold remedy. The tea is also filled with wonderful nutrients and vitamins that make your digestive tract very happy and your body very healthy. Because turmeric has lots of anti-inflammatory properties and ginger is great for the tummy. In a saucepan, add 2 cups of water. When the water boils, add a half a teaspoon of turmeric, then add a half a teaspoon of ground ginger. Add a couple of dashes of black pepper and a few dashes of cinnamon. Now let that simmer on low for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can strain out all the solid particles if you want to, but I just leave them in to get all the benefits of the ingredients. Add a little lemon and some honey, as much as you want, maybe about a tablespoon. And this is a nice hot tea. It's great on the stomach, and it's really nice to drink when you're feeling a little under the weather. Also, you can add some ice, and it tastes really good cold. Nice, refreshing drink. This is how to make golden milk. Add a cup of milk of your own choice, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a 1/4 of a teaspoon cinnamon, dash of black pepper, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of ginger. Whisk that up. You can use a blender if you want to. Add about a tablespoon of honey. For some reason, I had a dream about making this milk. I've made it a few times before, so I thought I'd go ahead and add it to the end of this video. I make these videos because it's fun. It's something to do as I wait until Jesus comes to get me. Anyway, this is a nice, creamy, custardy, warm milk. So if you like that kind of drink, you'll really like this one. Something great to drink on a cold day instead of hot chocolate. Anyway, thanks for watching.